Hello students, welcome to IDBN Memorial classes. Now let us learn one more section of cone, that is parabola. ठीक है, it is one of the most important part in the conic section that we are going to learn. So first let us see what is parabola. Parabola होता क्या है कि when you throw a ball or any object in the air, the path on which it travels, that is called parabolic path. ठीक है, यानी किसी बॉल को एयर में थ्रो करते हो तो जिस रास्ते पर वो घूम के जाता है, जिस तरह का कर्व वो बनाता है, दैट कर्व इज कॉल्ड पैराबोला. ठीक है, सो इसका शेप एक्चुअली क्या होगा, इफ यू थ्रो ए बॉल लाइक दिस फ्रॉम हियर, इट विल गो लाइक दिस. ठीक है, इसकी खासियत क्या होती है, व्हाट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ दिस फिगर. सो पैराबोला इज व्हाट, दिस इज आल्सो अ कर्व दैट इज सेट ऑफ पॉइंट्स, but what is the characteristics behind this, कि all point on this path and on this curve are equidistant from a fixed point. Suppose we take a fixed point here, so distance of every point on this curve is equidistant from this point, fixed point, and from a fixed line. Here we have just taken the fixed point and fixed line. Fixed point is called focus of this parabola and fixed line is called directrix of this parabola. So focus is generally denoted by F and directrix is denoted by L. So इसी फिगर को हम यहाँ रेफर कर रहे हैं, क्या है कि दिस इज द set of points in a plane in such a way that every point on this curve is at a equal distance from a fixed point and from a fixed line. Distance from fixed line to the point is always the perpendicular distance. Suppose here P1, P2 and P3 are 3 points. Then distance of P1 from fixed point F and distance of line L, that is perpendicular distance. यहाँ से हम suppose इस पर perpendicular लिए B1. So P1 B1 is perpendicular distance of point P from the line. Means by definition of parabola, this P1 F1 will be equal to P1 V1, P2 F2 will be equal to P2 B2. Here B2 is also perpendicular distance. P3 B3 is perpendicular distance of point P2, sorry, P2 from the line L. ठीक है, so how we define this parabola? So parabola का definition क्या है? It is the set of all point in a plane it is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant, set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point this point should not be fixed point, not on the line. ये फिक्स पॉइंट इस लाइन के ऊपर नहीं होना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ पैराबोला, that is the set of all point in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line, this is L, and from a fixed point F. This fixed point F is called focus of the parabola and the fixed line L is called directrix of this parabola. So two things is clear here, what is focus and what is directrix of the parabola. The fixed point F in the figure is called the focus of the parabola. And fixed line L is called the directrix of the parabola. So यहां तक डेफिनेशन हमें क्लियर हुआ कि पैराबोला क्या है, उसका डेफिनेशन क्या है कि डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम फिक्स पॉइंट एंड फिक्स लाइन ऑलवेज रिमेन्स सेम, फिक्स पॉइंट इज फोकस, फिक्स लाइन इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट्रिक्स ऑफ द पैराबोला. एंड पैराबोला बेसिकली क्या शेप होता है कि व्हेन वी थ्रो ए बॉल और एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इन द एयर, द पाथ ऑन विच इट ट्रेवल्स इज द पैराबोलिक पाथ. ठीक है. नाउ एनी लाइन passes through focus and perpendicular to directrix is called axis of the parabola. ठीक है. So any line passes through the focus and perpendicular to directrix is called axis of the parabola, and the line this perpendicular where it intersects the parabola is called vertex of the parabola. So this point is vertex of the parabola, this is focus of the parabola, and this line is directrix, this is axis of parabola. ठीक है. So we got clear with the some more things, that is what is vertex of parabola, what is the axis of parabola. ठीक है. and इसके बाद now terms, the line which passes through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called, perpendicular to directrix is called the axis of parabola. ठीक है. Now the point where it intersects the parabola is called vertex of the parabola, and the point where it intersects the parabola is called the vertex of the parabola. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे, वर्टेक्स ऑफ द पैराबोला. ठीक है. सो ये चीजें भी हमें क्लियर हो गई कि वर्टेक्स ऑफ पैराबोला क्या है, एक्सिस ऑफ पैराबोला क्या है, एंड ये किस लाइन पर परपेंडिकुलर है, परपेंडिकुलर जिस पर है दैट इज कॉल्ड डायरेक्ट्रिक्स ऑफ पैराबोला. नाउ ए लाइन थ्रू वर्टेक्स एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू एक्सिस ऑफ पैराबोला इज y axis. ठीक है. when we take y axis at vertex of parabola, in this case if डिस्टेंस, इस वर्टेक्स को हमने O से डिनोट किया, इन दिस केस if the distance OF equal to A, then coordinate of focus is A0. Now this line is at the same distance from O. The distance of line from O is also A. ठीक है, इसकी डिस्टेंस भी A है. Means every point on this line will be at a distance A from x axis. यानी हर एक पॉइंट की जो डिस्टेंस होगी यहां से A होगी. सो इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन यानी डायरेक्ट्रिक्स इन दिस केस will be equal to minus A. Hence, equation of directrix in this case is x equal to minus A. यानी every point will have x coordinate as minus A. इस लाइन पर जितने भी पॉइंट होंगे उसका x कोऑर्डिनेट हमेशा माइनस A रहेगा. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन दैट इज डायरेक्ट्रिक्स. ठीक है. नाउ यदि एक्सिस ऑफ पैराबोला हमने देखा, दिस पैराबोला इज ओपनिंग टू द राइट. वी कैन टेक द पैराबोला ओपनिंग टू द लेफ्ट और ओपनिंग अपवर्ड as well as opening downward. So there are 4 possible orientation of parabola. That means parabola may open to the right, may open to the left. When it opens to the right, then axis of parabola is along x-axis and focus will be A0. When it will open to the left, in that case axis of parabola is again x-axis, but focus will be minus A0 because focus will be to the left of origin, and this directrix will be to the right of origin. So its equation will be equal to x equal to A. Why? Because every point on this line in that case will be equal to A unit. Means every point will have x coordinate as A on the line when it is to the right of this origin. ठीक है. In the same way, if it is opening upward or opening downward, then coordinate of focus and equation of directrix will change accordingly. So we will discuss this in the next video. तब तक के लिए इसे नोट करो. We are going to discuss in next video the 4 possible orientation of parabola. ठीक है. Okay, bye.